guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Pretty Little Thing shape range haul. Now this video is more kind of the denim items and the other bits and bobs that didn't fit in a category, so it's just kind of a mixture of just about everything really. But as usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I try it on, along with my size and the size I usually wear, so I'll show you if I'm wearing a different size due to like stock or anything like that. So hopefully that'll be useful for any of you looking to use me as a guide for your own sizing. But that being said, let's get to it. So I did order a lot of this stuff in the sale, but it kind of goes in and out of the sale, if that makes sense. So I have no idea what it's going to be when you're seeing this video. But when I bought the items, they're all very, very cheap. So for example, this nice little denim playsuit, I believe I paid £10 for it, and I really like the style of it, but now it's arrived, I'm a bit unsure how it's going to fit on because the waist does look a little on the large side, but maybe it'll sit around my hips, so it'll be fine. But it's just a lovely white denim, silver zipped playsuit really. But one thing I liked about it is how much stretch it has. So look at that. I don't think I've felt denim so stretchy, but it still feels like proper denim. It's kind of really nice actually. So yeah, I'm just going to throw this one on and see what it fits like, but I really hope it works, but I'm not sure on this massive cutout at the back here actually. I think it's not going to work on my physique, but let's just see what it looks like. So this is how it fits, and this one's a tricky one because I absolutely love it from the front, like love it, love it. It fits my thighs and my butt so beautifully, and it's so stretchy I don't want to take it off. It's just so not a good fit from the back, and it's only £10, so part of me's like, can I fix this? But I'm like, I don't think I can. Like, what is this? Whose waist is this gonna fit? Like, it fits my legs so nice, and then the back of it is just like major bucket back. And I suppose I could put 2 new darts in, but then I'm not sure if I like the back here of it. It's like all a bit too big at the back, but the front looks great, and it's just like, really? So I'm trying to like figure out if I can make it work. But part of me is like, look, the front is right, but it's too bad at the back here. But I will have a play and I'll see if I can think of anything to do, but I don't actually think it looks good from the back. Like, I don't like the cutout. I think I'd much prefer it to be, you know, all solid denim down the back and just like little cutouts here. I don't know. Actually, no cutouts. Just give me a really nice stretchy denim playsuit and I'll be happy. But that's how it looks. It has so much potential, but it's just not quite right. So I thought I would stick with the kind of more white or off-white items, because this colour, they call it like ecru, however you pronounce that. So it's kind of a pinky yellowy white. I can't really explain it, but I'm not sure it's the right colour on me. I think I suit more like crisp white. Now I'm hoping this one will fit a little bit better, but what I loved about this is it's backless and it's lace up. Now I have a lace up blue one, and I will show you guys a lace up blue one as well, but my lace up blue one is like a wide leg, whereas these ones are like skinny leg, and I think they're going to be so gorgeous in spring, summer. I'm just unsure on the colour. Then the blue one is exactly the same. It's just kind of this really nice denim blue really. It's just a really nice colour. I'm actually really happy with this one. So it has got seams down the front as well, which I like. So it's just got a few little detailings. But let's just throw it on and see what it looks like. So I made a small mistake. I think I bought these ones in a size 6, or I've been sent the wrong size. And I did try and wedge myself into them, but I can't get into them. They're not going over my hips. So yeah, make sure you get your actual size or one size up, because they are quite tight on the legs. They're workable, but they're tight. But luckily, I got it in blue as well. So the blue one is the right size. So this is a size 8. Now, it did take me about 4 hours to lace this up on myself, but I managed it. And I've got to say, it is super cute. And the trousers, they fit the waist beautifully. It's a little bit of a wiggle getting into this, but it is worth it. So yeah, I would try, like, if you're thinking of ordering it, like, try an 8 and a 10 if you're shaped like me, just because then you can, like, pick which one fits best. But I love the seams down the front. I just think they're so gorgeous. Only criticism is these straps are adjustable, and as you can see, I have them pretty much on the smallest setting. And unfortunately, these straps here, they're not adjustable, so they're not connected to the lace-up kind of design at the back, which means I can't make them any smaller than they already are, and I would love them to be a little bit tighter. So I feel like if I go for a size 10, will they still be as tight? Chances are they're going to be even longer. So I like if it's a lace-up design, I like the lace-up to include the top straps, but I like the little silver buckles. I think they're really, really sweet. And I've got to say, the fit of this is beautiful, and the length of them, they're a little bit long for me, but they have like a split, so it kind of works. So I think with like nice little wedges in the summer or in spring, it's just really cute. And I love anything denim, so of course I love it in denim blue, but I was really excited to try it in like a different colour, so I think I might need to do a slight adjustment to my order, but I really like the detailing on this. Like, look at I like how it's got like a seam under the bust. I think it's really flattering. So no, if you're looking for a nice backless jumpsuit, I do recommend trying this one. Just get a few sizes so you can pick and choose. So the next thing I got is also a denim jumpsuit, but a very different style. So this is a boiler suit jumpsuit. Now, I do have this in black and I actually love it. It's very practical, very easy to move in because it does have a little bit of stretch to it, and it's just kind of really stylish. So I wear it when I'm like prepping fossils or rocks. I am a geologist, for those of you who don't know, but that's all on my other channel if you'd like to check that out. Down below, a little plug there. But they're actually really practical outfits, but also stylish at the same time, and I kind of like crossover outfits like that. So I thought I would try it in blue. So I'm going to see if I like it as much in kind of a denim versus a black, but let's just see what it looks like. So I absolutely love this one. I thought it was going to be too similar to the black one I have, but there's something about the blue that I just love, and it fits beautifully. Like, I'm really happy with this one, and even the length of them are perfect for me. So I'm about 5'5", but because they're like a skinny fit, they're the perfect length. So if I want to wear them with like practical like trainers or shoes, I can, or I can like completely dress the look up with nice little like heeled boots. So no, I really like this one. I love the adjustable zip, and amazingly the fit is actually really good. Like, it's not like too ballooning above my butt here, which is normally the case with jumpsuits. Like, it's actually, it just hugs everywhere really. So I really rate this one. This one isn't really like discounted that much, like it's about £35 I think, but it's reasonable considering how it's like thick denim. It has got like a bit of stretch to it, but it's actually really nice quality. I really recommend this one. Like, it's just so comfy to wear, but so cool. Like, double denim I think is such a look, especially when it's like all joined together like a jumpsuit. It just works. I love this one. Then the next thing I got is actually a suit, or I say a suit, it's a two-piece set, but it gives me suit vibes. So it's brown, let me just pop that there. And I really liked the kind of design on this. So it's got like seams going down the thighs, but I'm not sure if they're going in the right direction to be flattering. So we're gonna have a look. And also, I didn't realize it's kind of more like slim legged than I was expecting. Like, I think these would suit being like almost wide leg suit pants. But the only issue I'm noticing, there is zero stretch in these whatsoever. But maybe, just maybe, they'll work. So that's the kind of nice colour brown. And I think these are also in the sale for, I think each piece is £10 or £14, so they're not expensive. So that's the trousers, and then the top, I like the detailing on the top. It's like a corset style, and then it's got these little gold hearts on the strap, but they're just really nice. I don't actually know, oh, they say shape on them. I was thinking, I knew they didn't say Pretty Little Thing, so I was like, what do they actually say? But I just thought that's really cute. So I really like the top, and I might keep the top on its own anyway. It's the trousers that we need to see what we're working with. This is how it fits, and I absolutely love the top. I think I need a size up, but I really like the detailing of the gold, because when I wear like gold necklaces, I think it's just gonna bring it all together. And I know it is a corset, but just from the side, I think it looks too like tight on me. But I also know that is the style of corset, so I don't know if going up a size will necessarily fix that. But it is a very comfortable top, so I might just rock with this one. So I love the top, but I'm not sure on the trousers. So they do fit, and the waist does fit. It's just the lines round my hips. I think it's quite like accentuating them, but not in a flattering way. And I'm just not like obsessed with them. Like, I've not put them on and gone, oh my god, these are my new favourite trousers. And they are quite long for me, but that's okay, because with nice like heels or boots. They're workable, but they are like a weird kind of straight leg. But I could work the cut of the trousers. I think it's just the seams here and also the crotch area. I'm not sure it's like fitting me properly, but they do have pockets and I do feel very stylish in it. I just think I love the top as like a separate piece, and then I wish the trousers were like slightly wider legged with a matching jacket. Could be really cool. But the colour is lovely. I'm just not sure on it as a set. But let me know what you think. So the next thing I got is like a little corset top. Now I loved the colours in this and the polka dots, but I'm looking at it and it almost looks like a pair of pants, I think. But that's because the front is longer than the back. So the back has this like panel going on here, which I like the bandeau style, but I'm not sure about having it like so asymmetrical. So the front is a lot more than the back. But let's just throw it on and see what it looks like. I think this was in the sale and I just saw the colours and it's got like greens in it as well. And it's just really my kind of thing. And I think with like blue jeans in spring or summer or white jeans, it could be really cute. But I'm just not sure if I'm feeling this shape. Like, why do they do this? Like, why can't it just be straight lines at the bottom, at the top? I just think it looks so much nicer. But love the fabric, love the style. Let's just see what it looks like. So I like it tucked in. So I have tucked it into my skirt now, so it does just look like almost like a corset should, you know, just straight edges. I just don't like the, look at this, it's like a little, it's just like a little flap. Maybe I'm exaggerating it, but it doesn't sit straight. I don't know, I'm not sure. It just seems unnecessary, like, but it's got boning in it, so I can't even like fold it up and stitch it. They're saying that I might be able to. That's it folded. I've folded the actual boning now. I think that kind of works. But the other issue I find with PrettyLittleThing's, all their items, their zips are normally a nightmare. So I'm home alone at the moment and I can't actually zip this fully up. It is the stickiest zip you'll ever like find. But I really like it and I think I'm going to keep it because I just think it's really cute. If I can make the base of this straight by, you know, just sorting out the boning and finishing it off, I think then we're onto a winner because it looks really nice with skirts. I think it's going to look really nice with jeans. No, I really like the colours in this one, so I'm going to make it work. But just keep in mind, zips are sticky and the asymmetrical boning is just a little bit strange. I don't know. I'm not sure on that. I guess it's just a bit of a unique style, but for me personally, like I suppose it doesn't look terrible, but because it's like shorter at the back, like, why can it not just all be the same? I don't know. But I can make it work. And it's only £7, so it's a complete bargain. And I like the top of it, like this fits really nice. And I like the polka dot kind of pattern. I just need to fix it here and then I think I'm on for a winner. Like, it's my colours, in the summer it's just going to be really nice to wear, I think. The last thing I got is a sport kind of crop top. Now this I think is going to be too small. They only had an extra small in stock and I'm definitely not an extra small, but I thought, you know what, it might have enough lycra in it to get it on and then I can decide if I want it or not. But I love the colours of it. I feel like I'll look like a really sexy tennis ball, and I know that's a bit of an unusual statement, but there's just something about looking like a tennis ball that I just automatically was attracted to. And I love blue and green, and so I really liked the colours, but the cycling shorts were sold out and I didn't like the leggings that they made matching it, and so I'm a little bit like, what on earth can I wear this with? Like, I do have a white skirt, so I'll try it on with that, but part of me is like, you either get the set or you don't get it at all. But I really like the colours, and I didn't realise, but they have really nice like tags on the back here. PrettyLittleThing, shape it says, not sport. But like, they're just really nicely made. So I'm going to keep an eye on PrettyLittleThing's shape sportwear, because gotta say, this feels like really lovely quality. So I think if I got my size and I could get a whole set, it would be really, really lovely. But I'm not sure if an extra small is going to fit, and just to have the top piece, is that smart? I'm not so sure, but let's put it on and see what we think. So the arms just about fit, and comfortably actually. There is enough stretch in them, but you just know when a size up would be so much more comfortable. So this one is true to size, and I can do it up, but it's gonna give me enough support for me to literally do like high. It's not gonna stay zipped up, is it? It might do. It's got a strong zip on it, that's good. We're not gonna have a malfunction. To be fair, this would be a really cute like tennis outfit. I can kind of move. Maybe it would give over time. I just don't know what to wear it with. Do you guys think it looks nice with black? I know I'm wearing a black skirt, but like imagine it with like black cycling shorts or black leggings, because I normally wear black sportwear just because it doesn't show sweat, it's flattering, and it's just easy. Like I do have a few wackier pairs, but I don't know, I feel like, yeah, maybe with black it's workable. I just really like it. This, I didn't even say, the reason I bought it, it was only £4. £4. Like, I think for £4, I get away with it. Like, I'm feeling the colours. It does completely squidge me, but I'm not moving really in it, and I look like a tennis ball, and I really like that. It's so fun. All right, I think I can work it. I just need to get a nicer white skirt, because I tried my white skirt on, and no, I need to upgrade that. I have a nice black skirt though. We'll see. Let me know what you think. I think a white tennis, like, skirty skirt could be really cute. That's the vibe I'm getting. But this is what it looks like. So there's potential here, but I'm going to wait to see what you guys think before I make a decision, because, yeah, a small would be better, but I think it will give. Like, it's stretchy. You know, I can move in it. The arm length's good. It's workable, maybe. Maybe. Okay, I've now decided I'm keeping it. The more I wear it, the more I just love the like colours of it. It's so bright. And I think if I wear a black sports bra underneath, I can wear black cycling shorts with it, or a white and a white. You know, like I feel like if I match the colour here, it works. Like it's just a crazy pop of colour, but like I'm trying to visualise it with like my black skirt here, if it's doable, and I think it is. I really, really like it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe for more if you did, and I'll also link all my social media down below if you'd like to follow me on there, along with my second channel, which is all about geology and earth science if you're interested in that. But thank you again for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time, and yeah.